What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Algorand as it recently just broke out. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So just to give a little recap, this was Algorand in my previous video, trading at just over 25 cents. And I said personally, if I was looking to get into Algorand, what I would do is start projecting out a bull flag. And I said I would look for Algorand to get a bounce off of the 21-day moving average. Fast forward to the current Algorand chart, and this flag didn't fill out exactly how I thought it would, but it did come down and touch the 21-day moving average. But regardless, had you guys bought Algorand around the time that I was talking about it, you could have made up to 28% gains in about 5 days. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, I will go deeper into Algorand's chart at the end of the video, and there are some things you need to see, so make sure you stay tuned. So Algorand is currently trading at a price point of just under 33 cents. Their market cap is 2.6 billion, which ranks 51st among all cryptocurrencies. And their circulating supply is 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is just over 80% in circulation. And as usual, if you guys are looking to trade Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop straight into the Algorand news. So this is the Algorand Foundation X account. And the Pyrenees Pack just posted Phase 1 upgrades, training ground. And then Algorand said, like we said, the dogs on Algorand work hard. And then on March 11th, Algorand posted, let's say hypothetically we're starting a podcast. Maybe the host could be Mint WT, John Allen Woods, and a third mystery host. What would you name the podcast so more folks can learn about blockchain and Algorand? And then they replied to it and said, awesome ideas, Algo fam, we are taking notes. But regardless, I think a podcast would be phenomenal for Algorand. Right now, Algorand has a very mixed sentiment. There are a lot of people who love them and a lot of people who hate them. But this could clear up a lot of issues in the community, which would be fantastic. And then they posted Gorify is coming soon and will change DeFi on Algorand and beyond. Seamless cross-chain swaps bridge the gap between different blockchains with ease, unlocking a world of decentralized financial opportunities. Algorand Token Launchpad. Unleash your innovative DeFi projects with a powerful launchpad platform tailored for your Algorand ecosystem. And then they also posted 14 hours ago, big news from Para Explorer, Para Algo Wallet. So Para launches a major update to enhance your Algorand journey. Explore new account graphs showcasing your token values in Algo and USD. Holders tab for ASAs and NFTs. New NFT pages for insightful sales stats. Enjoy more efficient collections, fetching, improving your navigation experience. And then lastly, a sales tab for NFT transactions. Now, I don't really think any of this news would just cause Algorand to pump to 32 cents in general. It's probably just due to the overall crypto market, but still, a lot of this stuff is very good to see. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And they just posted 6 hours ago a $73,000 Bitcoin. And I love to see this. I know I say it all the time, but I still remember last bear market when Bitcoin was $15,800 and everyone was scared that it was going to zero. And those people who never lost faith have been handsomely rewarded. And then 19 hours ago, BlackRock and Fidelity now hold $331,000 of Bitcoin worth over $23.4 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. And these spot ETFs have been a major hit. They are growing at a rapid pace. And then US inflation rises to 3.2%, higher than expectations. And you have to understand, this is one of the biggest reasons I'm super bullish on cryptocurrency in general, especially the ones with a max supply. You know at this point that Algorand will only ever have 10 billion Algorand tokens in circulation, whereas this inflation rate is getting worse and worse every single year. And then the last thing I want to show you is this post right here, March 11th. So Bitcoin surpasses silver to become the 8th largest asset in the world. And this is genuinely incredible to see. Who in Bitcoin's early days could have ever imagined Bitcoin surpassing the market cap of silver? But yet, here we are. But anyways, while we are on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and we have been making some very nice gains. For example, Rosnet is one of the cryptos I posted on March 4th, and about a week later, it's up 395%. So I think you guys might get some very useful information. And then I also want to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers: a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and then a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. This is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of the cryptos I'm trading are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of cryptos that could absolutely explode this bull run. Just to show you guys some of the gains we've already been making. For example, 753% gains on AI tech, 332% on Rosnet. And actually, as I showed you on Twitter, it's a lot closer to 395%, 400% at this point. AGI, 1,086% in a month and a half. half. Just to put this in perspective, if you invested $10,000 in a month and a half, your 10K would have been over 100K. You cannot make these kind of gains outside of crypto and outside of microcap gems. You truly can create life-changing wealth. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you guys in here. But now for the fun part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. Now I'm going to be honest with you, my Algorand TA is going to be very similar to my Bitcoin TA. They both have very similar concepts. So the reality of Algorand right now is that it has gone parabolic, and anyone that has been buying Algorand has been making some very nice gains. However, at the current moment, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. That is class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. Not to mention the RSI in general is just extremely overbought. And then lastly, very similar to what I'm going to say on Bitcoin, price action is trading way above all of the moving averages. And typically these moving averages work as magnets. So I will not be surprised at all if we get a pullback. So if I personally missed out on an Algorand trade, what I would do is start flagging out Algorand. And then ideally, while price action would start to fill out this flag, the RSI and stochastic would start to reset. And then the 21-day moving average would creep up and we could get a bounce off of it as a support level. But again, in general, congratulations to any of you guys that have been making some very nice gains on Algorand. Now, lastly, as I said, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, a larger time frame, and you'll notice some very similar traits to Algorand. The main one being that price action is trading way above all of the moving averages. And if you look back through Bitcoin's history, we always come back and retest these moving averages. So as good as Bitcoin looks right now, and as much as we have been pumping, just understand nothing goes up forever. Now, that's not to say that Bitcoin couldn't all of a sudden hit 100K. Who knows? With these spot ETFs and everything, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. But I don't want you to just have this euphoric feeling that we are never going to have a pullback, because that is not the reality. There will come a time where we retrace, and there's a good chance that it is before the Bitcoin halving. So just always be prepared. But yeah, other than that, there isn't really a whole lot to cover on Bitcoin. Just understand we are extremely overbought. It's very similar to Algorand. So personally, I have a hard time entering long-term trades right now. Now, on the contrary, that's not to say we haven't been short-term trading in the Discord, because we have been making some phenomenal gains within the last week. But just overall, be careful accumulating right now unless it is a project that you truly believe in long-term, because there is a decent chance that eventually you get a better buying opportunity. Obviously, that's not guaranteed. Do what's best for you. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.